This happens all the time, right? You're all bundled up and you're on your way to meet your friends, but your phone dies while you're on Google Maps because it's too cold outside. Well, apparently there's an easy fix for your frigid phone. Your battery is sensitive to the extreme cold, so you've probably noticed that your phone can restart once you're back inside. But if you need it sooner than that, cell phone repair experts tell USA Today using your body heat can boost the temp of your phone, and with any luck, it'll boot right up. This was an issue with the iPhone X, but after complaints about it freezing in cold weather, Apple promised a fix. Still, if you can avoid it, Apple actually recommends turning your phone off if it gets below freezing. Other manufacturers suggest keeping your smartphone in climates we prefer ourselves. Otherwise, you may end up having to get it fixed. Your phone screen may also be at a greater risk of shattering when it's chilly, though one phone repair shop owner suggests the summer heat's even worse. Hey, did you hear what I said? Put the phone down. It's cold outside.